It's 11:43 p.m. Your phone's at 8%. You've scrolled through 600 TikToks, eaten half a bag of chips, and somehow ended up watching a guy build a cabin in the woods, again. You tell yourself you'll sleep after one more. You don't, and now your brain feels like static. Here's the truth. You didn't ruin your brain by accident. You trained it, like an addict, one fucking swipe at a time. Everyone thinks dopamine is the reward chemical. It's not. It's motivation, the fuel for wanting, not winning. And right now, yours is completely hijacked. You didn't lose focus, you outsourced it. Most people think they're lazy or unmotivated. They're wrong. The truth is, you've been running a reverse dopamine protocol your entire life, training your brain to crave cheap rewards over meaningful progress. You want proof? Michael Phelps practiced in silence at 5 a.m., chasing mastery when no one was watching. Steve Jobs banned iPads from his home because he knew attention was oxygen for creativity. And psychologist Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi found that real happiness comes from challenge, not comfort. They weren't superhuman, they just fed their dopamine the right food. So here's how you fix your brain. 7 days. No algorithmic feeds, no autoplay, no just one more. Don't limit screen time. Cut the IV. This isn't about quitting pleasure, it's about regaining choice. Every time you kill a cheap hit, replace it with a meaningful one. One chapter, one workout, one task. Dopamine doesn't care what's moral. It fires when you pursue. Make it chase effort, not ease. Open your Notes app. Create 32 blocks, each 30 minutes long. After every block, label it deep or distracted. Every 4 deep blocks, reward yourself, music, sunlight, stretch, whatever. You're not punishing yourself, you're reprogramming the loop. This is where your brain relearns hunger for effort. Close this app, set a 30-minute timer, do one thing, read, write, walk, or build without checking your phone. That's it. That's the first clean dopamine hit you've had all week. So the real secret? Your brain isn't broken, it's bored. You didn't lose focus, you traded it for convenience.